everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today is my hair wash day and I'm going to be taking you through one of my hair routines I've been using because guys, hair things are getting more expensive. I've been using hair mayonnaise, but the last time I checked and the price went up, like getting to, let's say, times two of the former price. I decided to do something different. So I'm going to be telling you what I've been using for a while now, which is my rice and carrot hair mask. Guys, I'm not kidding. I am not kidding. This rice and carrot hair mask has been working like magic. You'll be wondering why rice. If you're on a hair care journey, you're not using rice. I don't even know why. I don't know why you are not using rice. Because rice is a very good product. Rice contains amino acids and some very good minerals. And then rice is also an antioxidant. It strengthens the hair roots and prevents breakage, which leads to long and healthy hair. So guys, if you don't know, now you know. And then for carrots are packed with a lot of vitamin A and E, which helps improve blood circulation in the scalp. And you know, once hair growth is all about blood circulation in your scalp. Once blood is circulating well in your scalp, that's when you are going to experience massive hair growth and healthy hair. So guys, come with me. Let me show you how I make my rice and carrot hair mask. So like I said, I'm going to be using rice and carrot. So I've measured my rice and it's here. So I'm going to be washing it so that I will boil it together with the carrot. So my rice is clean now. I'm going to take it to my already boiling water. I'm adding my rice into the already boiling water. Then I'm going to cut my carrots, but I'll allow the rice to boil for a while before adding the carrots. So I'm just going to slice my carrots into tiny flat pieces so that it won't take long to boil and get soft. So it's time to add my carrot so that it will boil together with the rice. So I'm going to leave it till it boils and gets soft before bringing it down. So our rice and carrots is ready. So I'm going to blend it together and add coconut oil. So I'm done blending the rice and the carrot. This is how it looks like. The paste is really thick. So I'm going to be adding coconut oil. This is the brand I use. You can also use olive oil, but I prefer to use coconut oil. So I won't be adding so much. I'll mix it together. When you are blending yours, you can actually add water to make it, to give it the consistency you want, but this is what I want. I want it very thick. So whether it's this thick or not this thick, it will still work. Depends on your preference. But I prefer mine this thick. So that's it. The next thing, I'm going to be applying it on my hair. So guys, it's time to deep condition my hair with my hair mask. Mm. Struggles of a type C hair. Like after washing, the hair will shrink back. But what can we do? We just have to keep pushing. So I'm going to be applying my hair mask judiciously. So guys, please, for those of us that have not subscribed to my channel, please guys, please, I'm begging you, please subscribe to my channel and like this video or any of my other videos. Please guys, please. Thank you. So guys, I'm done applying this. So I'm going to be using my shower cap. I use my shower cap. I will then use my bonnet to cover up, and then I will top it up with my scarf. This is to generate heat. This is to help generate heat for the hair masks to work properly. It's just like hair steaming. And then I'll just walk around the house. If I have other things I want to do, I'm going to be doing it as my hair is steaming. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.